Hey guys, so I've been having a dilemma here on which MX to buy. Should I go for the new MX or should I just keep on go for the old MX? Man, I don't know. So I'm planning to buy this MX month end April bonus mindal, but you feel me? I don't know which one, but this one like these are the new this is the new MX XD. You feel me? Pretty nice. It's pretty nice, I won't lie. There's also the golden version, you feel me, MXTL right here, man. It's 3.5. And you feel me? What's concerning is that the new MX is 3.5, but the old MX is still 3000, man, you feel me? So basically I'm saving 500 by going for the old one. But I don't know which one to choose. I like both. I like the new one, it's nice. I like the old one. Hey, bro, I just don't know, guys. So if you have any advice, just I don't know, man, help. The MX went viral back then during the Skotani days.
They didn't dress to impress about Mr. Stress about night
Yeah,
dress.
man. That's why I fell in love with this shoe, man. That's where I was first introduced to it. Man, you feel me? Yeah, I once had a green and a blue ones and so on. Yeah, and so on. I used to shop at the Copenhagen, man. You know, green and blue, man. You feel me? That was a highlighted MX. Yeah, from those. But these are the original MXs. These are the original MX. The ones that we actually know. But now, man, you feel me? MX came back, man. Nike came back. The new design for this shoe, man, it's nice, man. You feel me? There are some for kids, even for ladies, man. You feel me? For Valentine's, just go there, man. Get your lady an MX, bro. You feel me? We don't afford them Cavellas and stuff, but this is a very nice shoe, especially for winter. It's warm, feel me? It's warm, it's comfortable, it's beautiful, bro. Especially for when you're attending parties, weddings, you can just put on this shoe. It's even easy to wash too, man. I promise. But even though it takes a bit of time to dry, you feel me? But it's easy to wash. It's easy to wash and it doesn't really get dirty easily. So yeah, man, it's a win-win, man. MX, I think Nike is the best, bro. So man, yeah. So you guys go ahead and tell me in the comment section, man, which shoe should I buy, man? You feel me? Should I save my $500, maybe get a jean, or you feel me, a nice T-shirt, man? You feel me? I like some Jordan T-shirts, man. You feel me? Yeah. So tell me which one to buy. Should I go for this, or this, or these? You feel me? Even the colors, guys. Even the colors, guys. I like and the first one. The first one is actually 2.2. The blue and black one is actually 2.2 at Studio 888. But you feel me? It's on sale, so I don't know whether the sale will still be available at month end, man. I don't know. I know a lot of people will be talking about Studio sells fake shoes and all that stuff, but you feel me, guys? Studio 88 is cheap, and Studio 88 is not cheap. Studio 88 is affordable, man. You feel me? And that's where we get most of our nice shoes, man. You feel me? The old shoes that we liked a long time ago. You feel me? They bring them back, man. Plus, they are the affordability, man. You feel me? So I don't know what you guys think, man. Should I go to Bash, which is Total Sports, or should I just go to studio and spend my 2%? So you guys just tell me which shoe to get, and obviously I'm gonna post a follow-up video which is proof that I actually did went and got the shoe, so you guys can see which shoe I got. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna make another review of the shoe live this time, so you guys will be able to see my face too.